Let us discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions of the ether compound. Here, aromatic ethers which are going to take place the electrophilic substitution reaction. So here I am going to take the example of the aromatic ether as the anisole. Only that CH3 group which is going to be replaced by this R group. So that is called anisole compound. Here I am going to take the general aromatic ether. So here the presence of the number of electrons of the oxygen atom which is going to involve in the migration of the pi bonds in the benzene ring. We are going to obtain the carbanion generation at ortho position and para position. So like this. So this lone pair which is going to take single bond into double bond. So when this makes this double bond, the carbon becomes five bonds. In order to maintain the stability, this bond gets migrated towards this ortho position like this. And this is carbanion which is going to be generated at the ortho position. This makes involving in the benzene ring. What happens? Then carbon becomes the 5 bond. So in order to maintain the tetravalency, this bond migrates at the para position. So here once again carbanion which is going to be generated at the para position. When this involves in the benzene ring, so carbon becomes pentavalent. So in order to remove this one bond, so this gets the carbanion will be generated at the once again it is the ortho position. So like this here, and this will involves in the benzene ring. So this goes back towards this oxygen because now it becomes deficient, right? So this double bond which migrates towards the oxygen to become the single bond like this. So what happens? The presence of this OR group, that is this OR group which is attached to the benzene ring, which increases the electron density at ortho position and para position. Ortho position and this is also ortho position and para position, and this also increases the reactivity of this benzene towards the electrophilic substitution reaction, and this is going to be also called as ortho para directing groups because of this the electron density which is generated at the ortho and para positions. It is going to be called as ortho para directing group. Let us discuss about the reactions of how the reactions which is going to take place under the electrophilic substitution reaction. That is called, first reaction is called halogenation. Halogenation is nothing but we are going to use the halogen groups which are going to be attacked towards this benzene ring. That is called electrophilic substitution reactions of the ether. First I am going to take the anisole compound. So because anisole compound is an electron releasing groups because of the presence of these releasing groups, right? So this is an electron releasing group which increases the electron density at ortho position and para positions. I am going to take the excess of the bromine. This bromine I am going to take place in presence of the glacial acetic acid. Glacial acetic acid. So we are going to obtain the ortho and para product. So because these are the ortho and para directing groups, right? So this bromine which is going to attack this anisole. So we are going to obtain the ortho product, that is called one bromine group which comes and attacks at ortho position and one bromine which comes and attacks at the para positions. So here I am going to use the 2 molecules of this anisole and 2 molecules of this bromine, and I am going to obtain the 2HBr. Why? Because this bromine I am going to write as this Br. This is called one bromine molecule. One bromine molecules which is undergoes the homolysis. One gets partial positive charge, one gets partial negative charge. Right? So this partial positive charge of this bromine which is going to attack at ortho position and para positions. I mean when it attacks at ortho and para positions, we are going to remove the one hydrogen from the ortho position, one hydrogen from the para position. That hydrogen which is going to be called as H plus. Because of the electronegativity parameter of this carbon and hydrogen, so carbon becomes the carbanion, right? That carbanion position, this bromine plus will go and attack. And what is the hydrogen which is going to be eliminated as a H plus? And these Br minus which is going to come and attack here H plus, 2H plus, that is called 2HBr. So like this halogenation reaction which takes place under the electrophilic substitution reactions of this aromatic ether. Let us discuss about the second reaction, that is called nitration. Here NO2 group which is going to attack at ortho and para positions, so that is called nitration. How it is going to act towards the electrophilic substitution reactions of the ether. Let us discuss here. So I am going to take the same two molecules of this anisole compound. So that is called OCS3. So because these are the electron releasing groups, so which electron density will be increases at ortho and para positions, I am going to take this HNO3. That is called concentrated HNO3. That is called two molecules in presence of the H2SO4. So why? Because these together only which are going to give the compound called NO2 plus. When you are going to use this mixture, that is called two molecules of the HNO3 in presence of H2SO4, they are going to generate the NO2 plus. So now we are going to obtain the product as ortho and para nitroanisole compound. This is OCS3, and at ortho position NO2 group will be attacked here, and at the para position NO2 group will be attacked here. And what I have removed? I have removed the two molecules of the water. How? Because in the HNO3, how many hydrogens will be there? Two hydrogens plus one ortho position from the one hydrogen and para position from the one hydrogen. Together called four hydrogens. So now it becomes 4 hydrogen, 2s2, 4 hydrogens. And how many oxygens I have left out here? So in the HNO3, NO2 plus eliminates, that is one oxygen. Because of the two molecules, two oxygen I have admitted, that is called two water molecules. Its name is called orthonitroanisole. This is called para-nitroanisole, or in the IUPAC name, I am going to call it as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Same 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the first carbon, methoxy group is attached. Its name is called 1-methoxy. At the second carbon, NO2 group is attached. It is called 2-nitrobenzene. Similarly, at the first carbon, methoxy group is attached. That is called 1-methoxy. This is at the fourth carbon, NO2 group will be attached. That is called 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. So like this nitration groups takes place under the electrophilic substitution reactions of this aromatic ether. Let us discuss about the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So Friedel-Crafts alkylation is also called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. As the name indicates, alkylation. Here alkyl group which is going to attack at ortho and para position. Let us discuss here. I am going to take the two molecules of the anisole and I am going to take the CH3Cl. That is called two molecules of the methyl chloride. So what happens? We are going to get the ortho and para position. It is called ortho-methyl. This is called ortho-methyl anisole compound, and also I am going to obtain the para-methyl anisole compound. What I have removed? I have removed the 2HCl. So because 2CH3 in that one, so here you know that this CH3Cl, here more electronegativity will be chlorinatum. That's why it obstructs the bond pair of electron towards itself. Then it becomes the Cl minus. That is called 2Cl minus, and this carbon becomes the positive charge. So these positive charge of this alkyl group, which is going to attack at ortho position and para position, because at ortho and para position carbon is generated. That minus plus becomes the bond here, like this. And I have removed the two hydrogen, one hydrogen from ortho and para position. That I am going to take this with the Cl minus. It is called 2HCl. So it is called as the Friedel-Crafts reaction. This reaction which takes place under the head is called anhydrous aluminum chloride. In the presence of this anhydrous aluminum chloride, this methyl group which is going to be generated at ortho and para position. Its name is called, we are writing the IUPAC name. So here this is called, this is a function group. When you remove this compound, then it becomes a toluene group. When benzene group, benzene ring which is going to attack the CH3, that is called toluene. So here I am going to consider this as a function group. This is called toluene. That is called toluene. This is the first. I read the second name because at the second carbon methoxy group is attached. That is called 2-methoxy toluene. Like this here, this is called toluene. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called 4-methoxy toluene. So we can call the combination as ortho-methyl anisole, para-methyl anisole. So like this Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction takes place. Let us discuss about the last reaction, that is called Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation is nothing but introduction group of the acetyl group, that is called CS3 C double bond O Cl. We are going to obtain the respective ortho and para methoxy acetophenol. We are going to obtain here. Let us discuss about the Friedel-Crafts acylation. I am going to take the two molecules of this anisole compound, same, it is called OCH3, two molecules. I am going to take two molecules of the CH3COCl. So these group, acetyl group will be going and attack at ortho and para position. This is called 2-acetyl chloride in the presence of the aluminum chloride. Anhydrous aluminum chloride. We are going to obtain the ortho and para product of that compound. That is here this CH3CO will be attack here. That is called COCH3, that is OCH3, and also para position COCH3. And what we are going to remove, because when Cl will be there, 2HCl will be removed here. So like this, because of this electronegative difference between carbon and chlorine will be more electronegative. It elements as Cl minus, 2Cl minus and 2 hydrogen. We have removed the 2HCl and its name is called. So now we are going to consider this as a functional group, that is called acetophenol. Its name is called acetophenol. That is called ketone group. This is containing the ketone group. That is called R C double bond O R dash. That is called ketone group. So this is called a substituent group now. That is called ortho methoxy acetophenone compound. Similarly here, this is a compound, ketonic compound, R C double bond O R dash. That is called acetophenone. Acetophenone. And at the fourth position, that is called 4-methoxy acetophenone. So like this Friedel-Crafts acylation will be takes place under the electrophilic substitution reactions of this ether.